Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the walking interviews and other vacancies as well. First of all, let's see the walking interview conducting on 30th April to 3rd May. Timing is 12 pm to 5 pm at Morgarandi GCC facilities. The vacancies are MEP technicians, HVAC technicians, electrical technicians, plumbers, kitchen and laundry technicians, civil technicians, cleaning team leaders, cleaning for male and female. The interview location is at 3503 Addax Tower, City of Lights, Al Reem Island, Abu Dhabi. The next walking interview is on 2nd of May to 9th of May. Timing 9 am to 1 pm at Homepro Imtad, UAE. For the positions of Sales Executive 2 number and Sales Engineer. Requirements are you must have 3 to 6 years experience, must possess UA driving license. Interview location is at 3rd floor Bayan Building DIP. Send your resumes to recruit@imdad.ae. The next walking interview is on 2nd of May, timing at 10 am to 5 pm at Ramada by Vendam, Abu Dhabi. For the vacancy of housekeeping attendants, interview location is at Ramada by Vandam Cornish, Almina Tourist Club Area, Abu Dhabi. Next walking interview is on 4th of May. Timing is at 9 am to 12 pm at Bloom Facilities Management, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are MEP Supervisor, Cleaning Supervisor. Requirements are minimum 3 to 5 years experience in facilities, minimum ITI or diploma educated. Interview location is at Bloom Central, Old Airport Road, near Al Wada Mall, Abu Dhabi. Send your resumes to hr@bfm.ae. Next walking interview is on 4th of May, timing 10 am to 12 pm at Magnum Security, Dubai, for the vacancy of Certified Pool Lifeguard. Interview location is M floor, room number 22 and 23, entrance C, Curve Building, Al Quds 3, Dubai. Next walking interview is on 5th of May, timing 10 am to 2 pm at Zener Electrical and Electronics Services, LLC, Musafa. Vacancies are electricians, plumbers, ductman, pipe fitters, AC technicians, helpers. Interview location is Al Fahim Building, Musafa 4. Send your resumes to zsmep@zenersteward.ae. Next vacancy is at Alabar Enterprises and another jobs, Dubai. Vacancies are assistant restaurant manager, waiter and waitresses, hostess, CDP or pastry, Kamis pastry, Kamis pizza. Apply your vacancy through app.whitecarrot.io/careers/alabar-enterprises. Next vacancy is at Almaya Island and Resort, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are HVAC technician, carpenter, electrician, plumber, painter, pool technician, general or kitchen technician. Send your resumes to careers.almaya@almayauae.com. Next vacancy is at AWS Distribution, Dubai. Vacancy for cost accountant. Send your resumes to career@awsdistribution.com. Next vacancy is at ABC Cargo and Courier, LLC, Dubai. Vacancies are driver cum salesman, 20 numbers, call center specialist, 15 numbers, sales executive, 12 numbers. Send your resumes to hr@abccargo.ae. Next vacancy is at Emirates Driving Institute, Dubai. Vacancies are body shop controller, job code 85, cashier, job code 84, admin assistant, job code 83, light vehicle instructor, job code 82, customer service representative, job code 61, light vehicle instructor, job code 60, motorcycle riding instructor, job code 51. Send your resumes to edi-ui.com/en /careers. Next vacancy is at Banias Pike Group on urgent hiring. Vacancies are South Indian cook, butchery, cashier, driver, sales boy, and office boy. Send your resumes to hr.bst@baniaspike.com. Next vacancy is at Admirals Trading LLC, Dubai. Vacancy for van salesman. Requirements are LMV manual license, 2 to 5 years van sales experience, experience in food distribution company. Send your resumes to careers@admirals.ae. Next vacancy is at IB Groups, Abu Dhabi. Vacancy for graphic designer with digital marketing. Requirement is minimum 1 year experience required. Send your resumes to ibuniformcareer@gmail.com. Send by WhatsApp 056 475 665. Next vacancy is at Lumber World. Vacancy for helpers. Minimum 1 year experience required. Send your resumes to careers@lumberworldllc.com. Contact number is 06 748 4216. Next vacancy is at Kins Group, Sharjah. Vacancy for technical and material engineer. Requirements are 6,000 dirhams depending upon your experience. Minimum 5 years experience required. Send your resumes to influx@kinsgroup.com. Next vacancy is at Align Corp. Vacancies are branch in charge, supervisor, accounts clerk, customer service, goods receiver, loader, merchandiser, cashier, baker, butcher, fruits and vegetables stocker, fishmonger, merchandiser for bakery, cheese and dal merchandiser. Send your resumes to careers@aligncorp.com. Next vacancy is at Al Khoury Hotels, UAE. Vacancies are executive chef, guard manager, housekeeper manager, assistant housekeeping manager. Send your resumes to bilal.magra@alkhouryskgn.com. Next vacancy is at Carnival by Trust in Dubai. Vacancy for male food runner. Requirements are fresher or 1 year experience, able to communicate English. Send your resumes to hr@passionfnb.com by WhatsApp 054 474 8391. Next vacancy is at Master Kitchen Equipment, UAE. Vacancy for sales executive. Requirements are 2 years experience in kitchen equipment, valid UAE driving license. Send your resumes to info@masterkitchenUAE.com.